Why start a business from scratch when you can buy one that's already successful? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy an established business step by step. Buying an established business can fast-track your success, but it's not something you jump into without preparation. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Number 1, find the right business. Start by identifying a business in a sector you understand or one with stable demand. I never recommend going to brokers or websites for your first deal. Number 2, do your due diligence. Once you find a business you're interested in, review its financials, customer base, and industry position. Be thorough. This is where you assess if it's worth the investment. Number 3, negotiate and close the deal. Work with professionals like solicitors and accountants to finalize the deal. Learning how to negotiate effectively can save you thousands and even millions. If you want to fast-track your learning, join the Dealmakers Academy. We've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs successfully buy their businesses with expert strategies, tools, and support. Ready to learn more? Click below to download your free business buying toolkit and start your business buying journey today. The link is in the description below.